Good afternoon, PepsiCo. I am Ricardo Carrillo. I am 23 years old and I live in Torreon, Coahuila. I have a bachelor in mechatronic engineering from Tec de Monterrey. Let's talk about a little bit my family. And I am the youngest one. We are totally six in my family, four brothers and my parents. My hobbies are playing the guitar. As you can see here, this is my guitar and one of the love of my life. And also I love to play soccer, play with my friends and always practice soccer. One of the team of my life is Santos Laguna. As you can see here, this is the best team of Mexico, Santos. And the other team is Real Madrid. I know that every people hate Real Madrid, but I love it. Also, the other sport that I practiced in college was American football, like NFL. And I practice in Borregos Laguna, as you can see here. This is my number 30, Ricardo Carrillo, Borregos Laguna. And also the other sport that I practice is powerlifting, where I am in the Coahuila National Powerlifting Team. As you can see here, I am one of the selected from the team of Coahuila. Let's talk about a little bit my skills that I have. And I consider myself that I am well organized, an energetic, and easygoing person who has great determination and leadership. These two skills I owe it thanks to the football that I play in college and my disciplines in sports. I believe I will be a great candidate for you, for your company. You want to know why? Okay, let's hear it. Point number one, I'm really persistent and I like challenges. Point number two, I'm an excellent communicator and I enjoy working team. Point number three, and I think this is very important because I'm always proactive and also very positive with the capacity to work under pressure and no matter how hard the situation is. Why when I entered to PepsiCo's training program? Well, I'm pretty sure that it is a great opportunity for me to start developing myself professionally speaking and being part in a worldwide company such as PepsiCo. I know that they have a great reputation and a friendly working environment. PepsiCo is a very sustainable company that cares about the consumers and the planet. Also, I believe that PepsiCo gives you the tools to train you and to become a great leader of the company. Well, I think that my favorite product of Pepsi is Gatorade because it always keeps me hydrated and with energy after an intense workout of gym. Like our lifting or playing football, I always buy a bottle of Gatorade to hydrate it. And it has a great taste. Well, Pepsi, that's everything for me, and I hope to be chosen for it. Thank you for everything.